Alright, so before watching this video, you should have already recorded your clips, downloaded the MP3 file attached to the assignment, and created your storyboard. After you've done all three of those things, then you need to move on to this step. So the very first thing we're going to do is we are going to open iMovie. So iMovie is what we are going to be using for the moment. I'm waiting on Adobe to get you some special logins in order to use the Adobe programs. So you're going to open iMovie, and then you're going to create a new project, and you're going to click Movie. Next, you're going to select the clips that you've recorded. So as you see, I'm hitting 1, 2, and I'm hitting that third one. At the bottom right, you'll see Create Movie. Now, my clips are a little out of order, so if your clips are out of order, you're going to tap the clip that's not in the right place, and then you're going to use your finger and drag it to where it belongs. So I recorded my switch last. So I held it down and moved it to the middle. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my audio file. I'm going to hit the plus at the top of the screen and click File, and I'm going to choose the U2.P1 audio, and I'm going to attach that to my video. Now this is going to help me figure out where exactly I need to cut, because I lifted my arm in the air to represent the switch.
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this.
So as you can tell, my video clip is way too long, so I'm going to cut part of it. So I'm going to select the clip, and at the bottom there is an option that says split. You're going to hit split, and then you're going to hit delete in the bottom right corner. So when I did that, I did delete the clip, so I'm going to have to hit that plus, go to file, and then pick that audio again. And we're going to see if it fits a little bit better this time.
Look,
so check it, double check, and once or twice. And it looks like we're good. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to hold that clip, hit split, and we're going to delete the part of the clip we don't need. Now, as soon as I hear that second click, I'm going to pause, tap the screen so that I can have that clip for just that small amount of time.
I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip.
Next, I'm going to find where my motion ended from the first video. So I have my arm in the air. I want to make sure I start my video with my arm in the air. So I don't really like that. It's a bit awkward where I started it, so I think I need to start it just a wee bit later so you can see some of the motion that I did. So let's just double check.
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this.
I lift my arm in the air, and my arm is up there a little bit too long, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that clip just slightly. I'm going to tap it right where I want it to be, and then I'm going to hit split. I'm going to click the clip I want to delete, and I'm going to hit that delete in the bottom corner. Now let's double check. See? Oh, so much better. Alright, now I've got more video than I do audio, so I'm going to pause, and at the end of the audio, which is that blue line, I'm going to tap, split, and delete. And let's just double check. Let's see if it works.
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this.
And that was a good one. So that would be what I would turn in for my assignment.